Hello everyone and welcome back to my more important analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets on Tuesday 16th of April. Looking at cable, and it continues to consolidate really. You had that little tick higher yesterday, although it's giving back some of those gains today. Interesting that that is coming pretty much bang on that downtrend that we've now sort of had in the last, coming up to 5 weeks now. Last two sessions have hit that downtrend and come off. There is a very slight positive tick higher on the stochastics. RSI as well, although RSI is still under 50. 50 is a level which basically hit earlier in April and sort of tailed off. So you could argue that this is more consolidation sentiment rather than any recovery, given the fact that you got the downtrend and the failure at that downtrend in recent days. So the resistance is clearly there around sort of 31.20, 31.30 in the last week or so. Every time it gets above 31, it really sort of starts to tail off. So you're not really getting any traction whatsoever really in this move. And here's the hourly chart. You can see that the lack of direction. You've got the RSI on the hourly just holding up around the 40 mark, which I suppose, given the fact that we've hit 70 in recent days, suggests there is a very slight positive bias, but again, nothing, as I said, more important, nothing to really give you conviction. And look how sort of benign the MACD lines are there, just hovering around neutral. So yeah, we're sort of looking out for really a close below 30 big figure and a close above 32 big figure, 30 big figure being the floor in the last sort of 2 months now. 32 figure is that lower high that we saw a couple of weeks ago. So until we see that, really you're not seeing any real direction. I would fully expect these two converging trend lines to be broken in the fact that we've got this consolidation rather than a breakout, because it's going to be sort of bursting higher. So wish you good luck in the trading today, and I will speak to you.